Aiden planted a whole row of sunflower seeds.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows of field corn. And then over here we got some sunflower seeds, or sunflowers are just starting to poke their little heads up out of the dirt. About a couple more inches all the way down. And over here, green beans, right?
Nope. Field corn.
More field corn. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, another 6 rows there. Field corn going all the way down.
Green beans.
We have green beans over here. All the way down right to the sticks.
Yeah.
And then over here we got cabbage, right? That's what it looks like. Cabbage and kale. They're looking good. Wow. Those will look pretty, Wayne.